gonna be watching
Okay,
this
good
video. I doubt it.
morning.
Good morning.
Okay,
Ethan's gonna
so
be
for
watching this
today,
video.
so we will have, we will check your homework.
Wait, the what?
We will check your homework first before we go to our next lesson. Okay, so your homework.
Oh,
Okay, so you can check your paper.
Can I get my water?
No,
No, later.
of course not.
Come on, get my water.
Okay.
What is the date?
Okay,
The date is the
so
14th.
isn't it? It's on page. What page is your homework?
121.
Yes.
Okay, so that's 1 to 1. Number 11 to 22 odd numbers, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what's your answer for number 11?
189 feet.
We have 189 feet. That's correct.
What did I screw up?
How did you get 189?
No, I haven't.
Me?
Wait, what?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't write my work down.
What did you?
I just didn't.
Isn't it
Divided.
1 yard?
What?
1 yard is equivalent to how many feet again, Levi? 1 yard is equivalent to how many feet? Yes?
3.
Okay, 3. So we just multiplied by 3, right? Okay, next, number 13.
40.
Okay, what's your answer for number 13?
40 ounces.
40, that's correct. Next, number 15.
240 seconds.
240.
Okay, that's 240 seconds. 17.
8.23.
I screwed it up.
I don't know what you think.
8.2 meters.
Okay, that's about 8.2. 8.2 meters. Number 19. 7,900 cents.
Let's go.
Yeah.
And number 21.
89 cents.
35.03 inches.
1 inch is equivalent to how many centimeter? 2.54. Okay, you just
Wait, what number is?
number 21.
Number 21 is 35.
35. That's correct. Or that's
It's
about
like
35.
35.
If you're going to round up. Okay? If you're going to round up. Okay. So for today, so we're going to learn how we are going to convert, okay, so the process on how we are going to solve it, okay, the solutions. So we have here, okay, so we have first comparing units. Isn't it in mathematics, units is very important, right?
Yeah.
And do you know, or are you familiar with all the units that we are using in measurement?
Decent amount, not a lot.
Okay, there are different units, right, that we are using, especially in measurement. Okay, and that is what we are going to learn today. Okay, so for example here, okay, you are on the, you went to shopping for sweaters. For example, store A sells 2 sweaters for $60. And store B sells 3 sweaters for
Are
$80.
sweaters actually that expensive?
Yeah, but this is
Well,
just an
one
example.
sweater is-
Which store offers the best deal? So how are you going to solve or to
Store
identify
C.
anyone?
Store C. Because
That's not an
Is
option.
it
A and
store
B
C?
are-
Do
Because
we have
store,
store C here?
because
Store
B and A
B.
are trash. Just
No.
don't buy the sweaters.
No.
How are you going to identify if which store has the best
You have to
deal?
divide it.
Store B.
Well, they
Yes, very good. You are going to divide. We are going to compare.
That'll be $30 for one sweater for store A, and then wouldn't that be like $25 per sweater at
Mm-hmm.
store
It's like
B?
20.
Okay, so you just divide store A. We have how many sweaters do we have?
10.
Okay, 60, right? So you just divide 60 divided by 2. So that's $30. And store B, we have $80. Divide by 3, so what's the answer?
26.6.
Okay, 26. So which store has the best offer here?
Store B. Store
Very
B.
good, that's store B. So you just divide. Okay? And what is our unit here?
Cost how much?
What is the unit that is being used in this problem?
Why?
Levi.
Dollars.
Dollars. Right?
American
Okay, dollars.
Euro.
Okay, so we are going to have here, so the system of measurement. Okay, are you familiar with the system of measurement that you have here?
Yes,
Mm.
it's
Okay, what system of measurement do you have?
imperial.
Okay, we have the imperial, or it is called the English system, or sometimes it's the US customary system of measurement. But in other countries, in our country, in the Philippines, we are using the metric system of measurement. Do you know the reason why? Yes.
Because it's way easier and makes a lot more
Yes,
sense.
that's the reason why. So we have here the international system, or the SI unit, or it is also known as the metric system of measurement. It is the standard. Okay? But do you use also the SI or the metric unit here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
probably.
Okay.
In
But-
Canada, they do. In Canada.
Canada?
That's
Is this
Canada?
Canada?
That's Canada.
We're not Canada.
Do
Okay.
we look like
That's not the
Canadians?
It's United States. This is United States.
Canada.
But
Over there.
okay,
My dad's
the
Canadian.
system of measurement is very important.
Sit
Okay?
across Niagara Falls.
Okay. So let's have here the abbreviations.
East to west. So like it's.
Okay,
Kilograms.
if you know the answer, please raise your hand. Okay, number 1, kg. So you know what's unit is that?
Kilogram.
Kilogram. And that is used for what?
How much fat do you
Canada, I
have?
feel like that way.
Yeah, that's kilogram, kg.
I know, I know kilogram.
Where do you use
I know we
kilogram
use it, but I
unit?
don't know where we use it.
In medicine.
In here? Like in America?
No, you
Yeah.
don't take that.
No, in Canada.
You just eat it.
You don't use this?
Not really.
Okay, so this is used for weight
Wait,
or mass,
yes, yeah,
right?
maybe
Oh, I
that-
thought you
Okay.
meant like given.
Okay, I'm asking
example.
for
I don't
what
weigh.
in what way we are using the word this unit. Okay, so this is used for mass in metric. In metric. But since you are using English here, so you are, what unit you are use here for kilogram? For weight or mass?
Ow.
We have pounds,
Or ounces.
ounces.
This
Okay. How about number 2?
centimeter.
Okay, this is centimeter, cm.
Length.
And
Use it on-
Distance.
okay, that is used for distance or length, right?
Yeah,
Length.
we use it on a ruler.
But I came first.
Or a tape measure.
No one cares.
Okay, how about number 3?
Millimeter.
Numeratry?
Milliliters.
Okay, ml is for milliliters, and that is
Liters
used
is
for
supposed to be
water.
Gallons and-
water, or that is
Is it liters?
volume. right? And we have, what's
Yeah,
dm?
Diameter.
Diameter, dm.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Decimeters.
Okay, decimeter.
I knew that.
Nobody
You
uses
did.
them.
And we
Oh,
all
that was
know,
pounds.
we all know that lbs, this is the abbreviation for pounds.
There's no L and there's no B in pounds. I don't
Yeah,
get that.
but why there's lbs on the pounds?
Yeah.
Like,
This is
L.
BS.
Okay, so this is very important because every time you encounter,
That
isn't
was
it when you buy some
ounces.
in the grocery stores, you can see on the package lbs, that means pounds. It is measured through pounds.
Also, when you want to get like vegetables, you have to weigh it sometimes on a scale.
Okay, how about oz?
Ounces.
Okay, that's ounces.
No,
Okay, that's for liquid, right?
It's always
But in the metric, that is
You can use that to weigh like
Okay.
fruit.
Stuffs.
Yeah,
Isn't
there's
it-
no
use it to
scales.
weigh.
okay. Sometimes,
You can
isn't it? It is uses also for
liquid measurement.
liquid. How about solid? Do you use
Yes.
ounces?
You can
Chess.
use both.
Yeah.
Liquid and
For weight.
Okay, but this is most of
Wait, do you mean
used
solid
most of the
volume?
time on the liquid.
It's liquid and
Yeah. For example, we have Coca-Cola.
Cause if you go to the
Coca-Cola.
Do you drink Coca-Cola?
Yes,
Yeah.
everybody
Yeah.
drinks. I don't
Yeah, that's
Mountain
soda.
Dew's better. Mountain Dew.
Ew,
Milk.
wow.
Mountain Dew's amazing.
Okay, how about
What are you talking
what do you
about?
use then?
how about mi?
Water.
Miles.
Okay, that is miles.
Right.
Number 8.
Feet.
Okay, feet.
Normal.
Fit.
You're normal.
Yards.
Yard.
You're normal.
Okay. Okay. So let's go first on the metric system of measurement. In the metric system of measurement, we have here the base unit. We have here the base unit for the metric system. For distance, we have meter or m. And for gram, and for mass, we have gram. Or that is
Like
G.
graham crackers.
And volume, For liquid, we have liter.
Liter.
L. Okay, is
I
it?
like letter.
You
Like,
are using
letter
ounces.
is disgusting.
And how about time?
Second.
Okay, we have seconds as our base
Seconds.
units. Okay?
Wait, you're telling me that
Wait a
metric
second.
system only has those four?
These are just the basic units.
Small ones.
Basic units for the measurement. Okay? So we are in the metric system of measurement, it is base 10. That is the reason why it is very easy to convert from one unit to another. Okay, so these are the order. Okay, so we can use the number line in converting the from one unit to another using metric system. So we have here, so we are using prefix and
Prefix.
plus the base unit. Base unit. Okay, so we have here, this is kilo, which means thousand. 1,000. Okay, so that would be K.
I thought milli.
We have hecto,
Hecto.
deca, deci, centi, and milli.
And then it's
Okay. So let's go now here.
and then it's
We are going to convert metric system.
We could have won the microwave.
Okay, number 1.
25.
How many kilometers are there in 2,500 meters? 2.5, 2.5. Okay, so this is how. Isn't it 1 kilometer? We have how many meters are there in 1 kilometer?
I have no clue.
Wait, what? I didn't hear.
How many meters are there in 1 kilometer?
1,000.
That's 1,000. So this is how we can.
You just said that like 2 minutes ago.
Okay, so 2,500 meters,
You just go over 3
2
places.
kilometers. Okay, so our base unit here we have meter, m. So you can just add m in all here. This is dkm, cm, mm. Okay? Okay, if we are going to convert 2,500 meters to kilometer, so we just write here, we are in meters, right? Okay, you just start here. Okay, kilometers. We will just, from here, going here. Right? Right? So this would be 1. We're just going to count. 1. That would be 1.
1.
2, 3.
3.
So this would be 2,500. Where is our decimal place here?
Between the 2 and the 5.
Is there decimal here? That's
Oh, you mean like
2,500.
where is it right now?
Yeah.
It's after the
Yeah, it's here. So we just move from here going to the left. So we just move 3. 1, 2, 3. So that would be 2.5.
Point.
Okay, 2.5 is the same as 2.500. See, it's
Zero,
easy.
zero.
It's easy, right? We just move the decimal points. Okay, next, number 2. Okay, so let us convert 244.45. Okay, what's mm?
millimeters.
Okay, that's millimeters. Okay, let us convert 244.45 millimeters to meters.
Is that millimeters? Or is that mn?
Millimeters.
Millimeters.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's
Okay,
3.
where's millimeters in our number line? We have here, right? So we're going to m or meter. We just move from here. You count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what would be the answer? We have 3.
0.224.
Okay.
2.45. Wait, 0.24445.
Okay, isn't it our decimal place we have here?
Yes.
Okay, you just move from here Going to the left.
Wait,
Sir.
that 1
It's a
5 is
4.
supposed to be a 4.
It's
Okay, this would be 1, 2, 3, and the decimal place would be here.
The 1 5 is supposed to be a
a
4.
4.
2, 4, this one?
No, the one.
The other one.
Okay.
Okay, we have
Another
3,
one.
4 on the given. Okay,
We
so
do
this
that.
would be 0.2445
4.
meters. Okay, number 3.
Numeral tree.
Okay,
Centimeters.
okay, 6.5 centimeters to mm.
65.
We have
Yeah.
cm to mm.
65 millimeters.
Okay, cm to mm. So how many decimal place we're going to move here?
You move to the right one, so
One.
that'll be 6.
Okay, so this would be
We know.
6.5, so we're going to move to the right 1. So this would become
I have a question.
65. Okay, number 4. Who can do on the board?
Can I do it?
I have a great question.
Mm.
I mean, I can do it.
Never
But,
mind.
like,
Levi do it.
so, if. Can we put it in scientific notation?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 5?
Mm. Number 4.
Number 7.
246. That's what's kg?
Kilogram.
Kilogram.
Oh.
Okay, so convert to gram. So you just count how many movements. Look at, for example, we have here.
That's a cheap boy. We can do that. Maybe.
There we go.
Are you sure? Okay, how many zeros?
Try for this one.
Okay, as you can see, we have here the base units, right? So we can have the base units, or we can just have here G for gram. Okay, so it would be DG, CG, or centigram, milligram. It's just the same. So decagram, hectogram, and kilogram.
Kilogram.
Right? So we are converting 246 kilogram to gram. So from here, so we just how many movement? We're going to gram.
1, 2,
Okay, 1,
Three.
2,
Did you change that to?
2,
Oh,
3.
you changed it to grams.
3.
3.
No,
So
it's
therefore
grams.
this would be,
Grams.
isn't it? We have 246. 246. The decimal place is, because this is a whole number, right?
Yes.
At the end. So we just add 1, 2, 3. Add 3 zeros. Add 3 zeros. Okay, did you see?
Right.
Did you see? The base units we just replace. So this would be,
Times.
we also have the base unit L, right? So this would be DN, CN, MN, DKN, HN, and KN. So we just change. If you memorize, if you're familiarized with the arrangement of the units in the number line, it's very easy because you're just going to move. Okay, next, number 5. 0.4. What's HM?
Hectometers.
Okay. We are going to look at first. What unit we are going to look at first? If you are going to convert this one, Jacob.
HM is
HM. So we are here. Where's HM here?
over there.
Here. So we are converting HM to CM, right? So how many decimal place?
1,
We are 1,
4,
2, 3, 4. Going to the right. Okay, what would be the answer if that we have 0.54?
5, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5,400.
Okay, that would be 5,400. Okay, let us see. We have the decimal here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, 1,
Okay,
2,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hector.
2 centimeters.
Right?
Oh, centimeters.
Right? Right?
I was like, Ethan.
We are just counting. Okay, we always started with the decimal place. Okay? Where the decimal is located. Okay, next.
You're so smart.
Number 6, Rachel.
Happens all the time.
What would be
Only
27.25 kilometers to DM?
You can do this.
You can't
Wait,
do
which one,
this.
number 6?
Yeah, number
Oh,
6.
okay, 1.
KM and PM.
KM or kilometers to
Millions meters.
decimeters.
Okay.
Where's KM?
KM is back there and then EM
Here.
over there.
Okay, you are just going to count here.
1. Wait, we start from this side or that side?
You
Or
start
from
with
this side? KM.
Kilometers.
Okay.
Because we are converting kilometers to
1,
DM or
2,
decimeters.
3, 4.
4.
Good job.
So where would we start moving the decimal? Where's our decimal here?
Right there, between the 7
Between
and
7 and 2. So that would be 27.25. So how many?
4.
4.
1,
Going right, going to the left.
1,
Okay. 1, 2,
3, 0.
3,
and then
4.
4. Yeah.
Okay, if there's no number after, so you just add
Add
0.
0, yeah.
Okay, and that would be our answer. And do we still have decimal here between 7 and 2?
No.
No, because it already moved, right? So our answer here is 272,500. Right? Okay. Question. Again, the first unit that we are going to convert, so we just start there. And then we're just counting from what unit we are going to convert. So it's very simple. And the decimal will also move if we move or we start count. Okay? That is metric. Metric. Again, these are the base units. We have meter, gram, and liter. As you can see, it is found on the center. At the center, right? We have 3 kilometers, hectometers, decameters, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Okay. So I know you are done with this one. Okay. We have here another one. Okay, 1 foot is equivalent to how many inches?
12.
Okay, that's 12. Right? What if we have 5 foot? How many inches are there in 5 foot? Okay, so we just multiplied 5 by 12. Right? How about if we have 144 inches? How many foot do we have?
Oh man.
That's
144 inches.
Oh.
I did it again.
That's 12 feet.
I
Okay.
didn't know this 12 thing.
12 feet.
2
It's 12.
feet.
That's, even I got that.
Fifth.
Okay.
I really don't know.
You can write how we are going to convert. Okay?
You divide 144 by 12.
Okay. You just write. So we are converting 144 inches, right? So you just write here.
Really?
Then you put this one. So what is the conversion for inches to foot? Divide.
What? Inches to foot division?
Yeah. What's
The bottom of it.
what is the conversion
12.
for inches to foot?
12 divided by 12.
Okay.
Multiply-
So this is
yeah,
inches. This is inches.
Yes.
So we are going to put inches below.
You divide by 12.
And then this one will be feet. So
Yes.
1 foot is equivalent to 12 inches. Right? Then this would be cancelled already. So therefore 144 times 1 divided by 12, the answer is
12.
12. That is how we are going to solve.
Good job, Jacob.
Okay?
Don't erase that.
Erase it right now before she
Okay. How about this one? Convert the
I have to
following.
write it all over again.
7.5 feet convert this one to inches.
90 inches.
Who can do on the board?
Can I do it?
Levi can go on the board.
Show your solution.
Can I do it?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Number 2 is 6.
I did.
Wait, what? Oh, and actually.
You can put here.
Why?
Levi, you
Yes.
can do number
Random number.
2.
Okay.
Then show your solution. 96, what's OZ again? We have ounces and pounds.
Oh yeah. That might be right.
It should be right.
Might.
I think that's right. 7 times 12 should be 4
Man,
times.
I wish my handwriting was kind of legible.
Okay,
It is.
so your answer is 90.
It is.
Okay, but
The secret is in
I am asking for the solution, how you are going to show it.
I
Okay?
did that, right?
Okay, so let's see if your answer is correct.
It's not.
So isn't it?
What?
We have
Wait.
7.5
If you do it the other way.
feet
Maybe
to
do it the other way.
inches. Okay, so you just copy this one, 7.5
I mean, it's right,
feet.
it's not.
times. So the conversion for feet to inches again. So this is feet. So you just write FT here below. So that we could cancel. So this is inch. Isn't it? How many feet are there in one? How many
12.
inches are there in 1 foot?
12.
12.
We have 12
How many,
You just
how many
write
feet
here.
are in 1 inch?
here. So this would be cancelled already. Okay, during your test or quiz,
12.
you should write this one.
It's like
The
0.
solution.
It's
So 7.5 times 12.
0.083333.
What's 7.5 times 12?
What, 7.5 times 12 is 90.
Okay, that would be
Yeah.
90 inches.
Told you I was right.
I got it.
That would be the answer.
But you
This would
did.
be
What the-
90.
Way.
Okay, correct? It's just a matter of how you are going to show your solution. Okay, you just practice that one. And your answer is 6.
Yes.
Okay, so
It's
let's see.
right.
It's right. It's right. It's
It's the third right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yes.
but I'm just showing the solution.
I know. It's
Yes.
Okay, so this would be 96
This is
ounces to pounds.
Oh, it's that pounds.
So this would be,
Yeah.
so you just copy.
96.
So where would we put ounces unit? Below or above?
At the bottom.
Okay, at the bottom. And here we have
Loads.
pounds. Okay, what's the conversion for pound and ounces?
16 ounces to 1 pound.
Okay, 1 pound is equivalent to 16, right?
Yes.
Then you just cancel. You just cancel here. So what we have is 96 times 1 divided by 16. So the answer is 0.6. And this is it 0.6?
No.
That is 6.
Yes.
Okay,
Why?
0.6.
that is 6. 96 divided by 16, that is 6.
It's 6 LBS. not
Okay.
pounds.
You just get
It's
6
6
really
lobes.
bad.
It's 6 lobes.
It's 6 lobes.
Okay, how about this one?
I'm right. I checked the calculator.
No,
Yeah,
you're
I
right.
know.
You're wrong. You're actually left.
Okay, how about if I have here 3.5 yards to Foot.
11. Wait.
can you show on the board the solution?
I guess.
Jacob.
Maybe it's 10.5 feet.
Famous Jacob.
It's
this
1.6
is study the
or
solution.
1.16 or 8.
You know what a
Okay.
devious
I
lick
solved it.
is?
Oh.
Show.
A devious lick.
3.5.
Devious lick.
You just copy
It's
first.
nothing sexual in them.
Yards.
No.
It's where there's a trend about devious licks and people have
Oh.
to steal something
See,
from the
this is
school.
yard, so you just
People have
put yard
stolen
below.
toilets and stalls and crazy stuff.
Yes, we are solving for yards, so you
I know,
put
right?
one.
I don't think I can steal a toilet.
Foot. So this would be yards. This would
And
be-
what's it called? It's on hard mode now because if you get caught, they call the cops on you.
Wouldn't they do that anyways?
No, not in
Yeah.
the beginning. Now they do.
So in the
Okay.
beginning, if they
What's the
caught you with a
conversion
toy,
for yard and
they would
feet?
just be like, don't want that back.
Okay, you
So
just
3 or
write
more.
3
Just
above.
give you
One.
suspension
that's
or
correct.
expel
And then
you.
what would be the answer?
Yeah.
But now they
That's
call
10.5.
the cops.
That's correct. Okay,
Devious licks.
so the answer is 10.
It started off with
Point
someone stealing hand sanitizer.
Okay,
and hand
so as you can
sanitizer.
see, the solution, so we just put yards here, so it should be on the bottom, at the bottom. And then what we are trying to convert, it would be at the top, we have foot, and then you just put the conversion.
Someone stole a
Okay,
set of lockers.
So this would be 3.5 times 3.
Professionally stupid.
Okay, see, if you're not going to write the proper way or the solution, you might get mistake. Because it's just a process of, isn't it? It's just multiplication or division as long as you know the conversion.
Chess is fun.
Okay? Okay.
Someone
I ju-
stole a set of lockers.
A set fluff.
How do they do that?
I don't know.
Can't be real. That's not
Okay, so these are the conversion.
It's a joke.
Okay, how many
How would
miles
someone buy a set
or
of
how many kilometers are there in 1 mile?
and
So
leave it
how many
and put it
kilometers
outside in front of the school?
Ration?
Yes.
How many kilometers are there in 1 mile?
Don't ask me.
And then say the answer.
How many kilometers are there in 1 kilometer?
Oh, it's right on the board.
Oh, that's hard.
1.7.
Hmm?
1.8.
Okay,
It's
1
right
mile
there.
is equivalent to 1 point. Okay, approximately that's 1.6, but it's 1.609. Okay, but to make it uniform, so we're just using 1.6. Okay, and 1 foot is equivalent to 30.48 centimeters.
Sir.
So you must remember this one.
1
So
foot,
every
I need
time
to be
two-
writing that down.
Feet.
Are you checking our notes today? Because look at
Yeah, I'm going to check that later.
Feet.
I've been doing good.
Okay, I
You're
as I
checking
have
notes
said,
every
I'm
single day.
checking your notes.
You better be.
And
You like my notes?
No, we hate them.
No,
They're
we hate 'em.
disgusting.
okay, so
You read your love and
Horrible. To who? That was just Ethan.
Read Taylor's love.
Yeah.
okay, how many miles are there in 245 kilometers?
How many miles?
We were talking about. There's more than
How many miles are there in 245? Can you show it on the board?
Times.
See the solution.
If
you can
That's not even what I was talking about.
Can show the solution. I will give you
I'm not
points.
talking. It has nothing to do with
Okay,
it.
Levi will solve 245 kilometers.
yeah.
Convert to miles
So 1.6.
using the solution.
So basically you just multiply by. Yeah.
That's right.
You do.
Okay.
Ethan, you better be doing your work.
Okay, so Levi is doing. It's right, Levi. So what are you going to do? Multiply or divide? Multiply by 1, right? Then divide by. Oh, where's your calculator?
Oh, crap.
What'd you do?
I didn't do my civics homework.
Okay, what's your answer, guys?
The
My
activity book.
answer.
Which one? 4 or 5?
Chapter
245.
4, 6.
I forget any of this.
Are you sure it's number 6?
Mr.
I
Beast's
don't know, but I
class
know
is so
we had an
simple. When we
activity
do
book
any work,
for
we
today.
still look at random things.
Oh well.
He just watches YouTube or puts it to a random site.
Okay, that's correct.
I did it.
I don't think.
Okay. Yeah, that's the proper way. See? See? Okay, so 245 kilometers to miles. So we have here 245 kilometers. KM.
Yeah,
Rachel, did you see it?
Yeah, I
KM, so you should put below. And then we are converting to miles to above. So using the conversion, 1 mile is equivalent to 1.6. So this should be 245 times 1 divided by 1.6. Okay. Divide that. Okay, how about pound pounds and kilogram. How many pounds are there in 1 kilogram?
2.2.
Okay, that's
Wait, I got that
2.2.
wrong. I was thinking the other way.
Okay,
I was thinking
2.2
grams.
pounds.
I was thinking grams and kilograms and
Hmm?
I was wrong.
Okay, so who can
You know,
convert?
this year was the only year where you could do what's 9 plus 10, 21.
Okay, maybe Rachel can convert this one.
No.
Okay, so as long as you know the conversion, we have 1 kilogram equals 2.2.
That is such a weird.
We're gonna have to wait another 1,000 years to do that again.
Do what?
It's a weird.
Or well,
I'm just joking.
100 years.
Because
Wait, so in
1,000.
100 years. Wait, so
Okay.
in
It is
the
100.
1900s, would they just abbreviate with the last two
Who
numbers?
wants to do it?
Okay,
It is
I mean,
Killian.
I guess I
In
can
the
try
year
this.
2000, would they abbreviate with just 2 zeros?
Levi.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, 24.2
Or we-
kilograms to pounds.
Kilograms to pounds? Huh?
Yeah.
You just wait. I know.
So using this solution,
We had some
so
geography.
you just copy.
Look at me. I have a electrical device in my pocket and I didn't turn it in.
Or yeah, Levi's.
G.
What was their homework?
Maybe
And,
something like
civics.
this.
Civics? Test.
No, no.
That last night.
Division.
There's no.
Right here.
Just like what Levi did.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
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 Okay.
Are you sure? We're in a different class.
We still said.
Rachel, do you have your answer now
For what?
for this one? To 24.2
Wait,
kilograms
she has
to
to
pounds.
do that? Oh.
Wait, which one am I doing?
This one.
Oh, the one that he's
You're
doing.
doing them all. What do you think?
So we're
Divided by 2.2.
The conversion.
Also wait till next
So you just
year.
write kilogram here.
Because next year's gonna be 2021.
Oh my god, there is
I
no
mean,
4-6.
2021.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 kilogram, how
Is
many
there
pounds?
4-6?
This year's
1 kilogram is
2020.
2.2.
Next year's 21.
Are you sure?
Oh,
1
no, we
kilogram
are
is
too.
2.2
Oh my
pounds.
gosh, I
So
am
where
so
you should put
confused.
2.2? Is it
I
in
don't
kilogram
know
or
what
pounds?
base last year.
Okay, where would we put 2.2?
Okay,
Below
this
or
is
above?
2021.
Above.
About
Okay, it should be above because it's in pound.
Oh my
One
God, this
pound,
is
you're right.
2010.
Okay.
It's 2022.
4.6.
I'm not telling you.
This would be 1.
Whoa,
There's
someone's
no 4.6.
spicy.
Okay, then 1 put
See, it's a strong
LES.
word, that's why I use
Ah.
it.
So what are we going to do here? Multiply or divide?
In this case.
Divide.
Division.
Are we going to divide?
No, you multiply.
Okay, we are going to multiply. And what's the answer?
I was looking at the
It's
other
like
thing.
54.
Okay, isn't it kilogram?
Probably like 70.
It's not
This would be kilogram.
What are you
So what's the answer?
52.8.
Okay, this would be
Oh, wait.
52.8 pounds.
No, that's wrong. It's 53.24. I pressed the wrong.
24.2 times 2.2.
Oh man, 24.2.
That would be
24.2 times 2.2 is
Huh?
53.24. I must have pressed the wrong button. My bad.
that would be 53.24.
Yes.
You don't know that name?
4.8.
I've seen it.
Four.
Okay. September 9th passed. Well, September
Okay.
9th.
Each one of you,
September is 9th.
you are going to
The 10th
do
of September.
1,
9 plus
okay, using this conversion.
You're stupid.
10.
Okay, ration for number 1.
1 inch, 2.54. Number 1.
Number 4.
Number 1 ration.
Number 1 is not that way.
You can do this, Rachel.
Rachel.
Okay,
Rachel.
It's not
Rachel.
Come on, Rachel.
Come on, Rachel.
yeah.
Rachel.
Is
Rachel.
that number? Okay.
Wow.
We're
Rachel.
done with this.
Raquel.
Then number 2, Jacob.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, Jacob. You go, girl. Oh my goodness, I just realized if we do a review game, we'll have an even number since Ethan's not here.
Oh yeah.
And then number 3, Levi.
Just
What happened?
Number 2.
And please show your solution.
Do I have your mind?
Can I have a black?
Ooh.
Can I have a black Xbox quicker? I need to do mine. I don't like color.
I'm looking for my black one.
It's
Oh.
Shut
That's just one. That's 24 points. Good.
Okay, can you write it on the board?
It's like,
Oh. Oh look.
Oh, it's
dang it, I thought that was
What was that noise?
Someone
It's,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
your
Calling
phone.
you,
Your
somebody-
phone. No, no, it's your
Mr.
phone.
Luca.
you just walk out.
I know. Something.
You're in front of my problem.
Gordon. He will be on my next class.
Why couldn't you have the
What
bottom
time?
problem? I can do
During my class. 2 p.m.
Oh.
2 p.m.
Easy, I can.
So what time would he leave?
Shut up, Jacob.
2 p.m.
Yeah,
Okay.
not today.
I'm gonna hurt
you.
Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Hey, buddy.
Just kidding.
Okay.
Take that back.
DN or decameter, decimeter to centimeter.
That's.
Okay, so that would be
that's-
how many decimal place do you move, Rachel?
That's right.
That's
One.
one. That's right.
45.
See, I'm big. I'm big brain.
No, you're big brain. You small
Hey,
brain.
Brandon, you want me to do one?
You just did.
Okay, so
Dang it. This is my marker.
can you show the solution?
Oh.
Jacob.
Get a bird.
Okay.
Jacob.
We have Levi.
Wow.
275 inches to centimeter.
Oh, I
Oh my
should
gosh,
probably
this
write it
is
up.
good.
Okay.
Answer.
What's your answer?
Here, throw it to me.
Okay, so you multiply.
Open it and smell it.
275 times 2.54 is 698.5.
Pizza.
Show something
Show
like
cheese.
this.
It does not smell like
It
pizza.
smells like
You would be familiarized.
That's what
You
you're
just
saying.
write this.
What kind of messed up pizza are you eating?
Yeah.
Is it made out of sawdust?
75 feet.
Wait, let me smell. Let me see if it smells like pizza.
It smells like sawdust. Like
Here, smell